let's switch it off, but you can't switch it off if you don't draw your pattern or something. So how we remove? So wait, you need a SIM card with a pin lock. So my SIM card is with a pin lock, so you have to insert a SIM card which have a pin code. So let's try it now. So my SIM card is a heavy lock. It's very easy. So is my SIM card is locked. So wait and see, ask for a pin code. So it's asking for enter SIM card pin. So press power off and it's gone. It's power off now. So very easy. So now power button and volume up. So hold on and leave it. When you see the logo of Samsung A02, it's very easy, you see. So now wipe data. So let's see, it's wiping now. So it's take, when we do reboot system now, so it's take time. Okay, so it's take time 2 to 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So I will skip this part. So it's done now. So it was easy. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.